Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Battleverse. Today we dive into one of the most shocking moments in naval history that unfolded at the break of dawn. The title of our discussion is U.S. Carrier Ambushed at Dawn, Then What Happened Shocked the World Part 2 U.S. Navy Force. This incredible event captured the attention of global military experts, defense analysts, and ordinary citizens alike, as the story of a mighty U.S. aircraft carrier caught in the heat of an ambush reveals not just the vulnerability of even the most advanced war machines, but also the resilience, innovation, and determination that define the United States Navy. To truly understand the event, we must go beyond the surface of the story and look deeply at the carrier's exterior features, its interior operations, its raw performance on the seas, its advanced safety systems, its unique selling points that distinguish it from every other warship in the world, the enormous costs involved in building and maintaining such a giant, and finally, the larger conclusion about what this ambush teaches the world. From the outside, a U.S. aircraft carrier is a floating city of war and strategy. The sheer size of its hull alone dominates the ocean horizon, stretching over 1,000 feet in length and weighing more than 100,000 tons. When the ambush occurred at dawn, the early light revealed the massive steel giant gliding through waters with a presence that no adversary could ignore. On its deck, dozens of aircraft stood ready, from advanced F-35 Lightning Roman II jets to F/A-18 Super Hornets, each capable of launching at a moment's notice. The radar towers, missile defense systems, and communications arrays gave the vessel an unmistakable silhouette. But what the world saw that morning was not just the strength of its exterior. It was also the target painted on its back. Despite the heavy armor and layered defenses, the ambush demonstrated that technology and strength cannot make a carrier invisible. And in that vulnerability lies a story of tactical surprise and reaction. Moving to the interior, the true soul of the carrier is revealed. Inside, the ship functions as a combination of an airport, command center, hospital, power station, and small city. Thousands of sailors and officers live and work within its walls, each with a specific role that keeps the vessel operational. The interior command centers hum with advanced computer systems where real-time intelligence is processed, orders are transmitted, and strategies are formed. Within the Combat Information Center, massive digital displays track incoming threats, friendly aircraft positions, and surface ships across the horizon. During the ambush, the interior came alive like a heartbeat under stress. Crew members rushed through narrow corridors, pilots scrambled to their ready rooms, and medical staff prepared for casualties. The complexity of life within a carrier is staggering. Dining halls serving thousands of meals a day, sleeping quarters that double as places of brief rest during long deployments, engineering rooms powering the nuclear reactors that provide limitless energy, and workshops capable of repairing aircraft even while at sea. What shocked the world was not only how the ambush tested the exterior defenses, but how the interior human machine adapted instantly, proving that the true power of the carrier lies not in its steel but in the people within. Performance under fire is what defines the difference between success and disaster in naval warfare. U.S. aircraft carriers are not designed just to look intimidating, they are designed to dominate. With a speed of over 30 knots despite their size, these giants can reposition quickly across oceans. They are capable of launching over 100 sorties a day, projecting air power that no other nation can match. In the dawn ambush, performance became the lifeline. Fighter jets screamed off the deck in response, missile defense systems locked onto incoming threats, and the coordination between ships in the carrier strike group created a shield of countermeasures. The performance of the carrier was not just about the speed of its jets or the precision of its weapons. It was about the harmony of thousands of moving parts functioning under pressure. Even though the ambush was designed to catch the carrier off guard, its performance proved why it remains the centerpiece of American naval dominance. Safety features on the carrier go far beyond simple armor plating. Every deck, every corridor, and every system is designed with layers of protection. The nuclear reactor powering the ship is surrounded by multiple containment systems to prevent leaks or damage. Fire suppression systems can flood compartments within seconds to prevent flames from spreading. Medical facilities rival those of small hospitals, with operating rooms, intensive care units, and skilled surgeons prepared for mass casualties. During the ambush, alarms blared, watertight doors sealed, and damage control teams rushed to ensure that the carrier could take a hit and keep fighting. Safety on a carrier is not about preventing accidents. It is about ensuring survival in the face of direct attacks. The world was stunned at how, despite being targeted, the carrier's safety systems kept it afloat, functional, and ready to retaliate. What truly makes U.S. carriers unique is their role as a symbol of unmatched power projection. No other country can build, operate, and sustain carriers on the scale of the United States. Their unique selling points are not just technological, they are strategic. A carrier can carry over 70 aircraft, serve as a mobile base anywhere in the world, and provide humanitarian aid during natural disasters as easily as it can launch warplanes in combat. It is both a sword and a shield, a weapon of war and a tool of diplomacy. The ambush at dawn highlighted that while the carrier was vulnerable, it was also resilient, and its unique design ensured that it could not be neutralized quickly. Its presence in global waters sends a message to allies and adversaries alike. The United States is never far away. But such power comes with a staggering price. Building a single U.S. aircraft carrier costs over $13 billion, and maintaining it across its lifespan costs tens of billions more. Each jet on deck costs upwards of $100 million, and the human resource of training thousands of sailors and officers adds immeasurable investment. The ambush revealed to the world just how costly a single moment of vulnerability could be. It also reminded everyone that while the carrier is expensive, it remains a priceless tool of deterrence. The price is not just measured in dollars, but in global stability and deterrence against aggression. In conclusion, the story of the U.S. carrier, ambushed at dawn, shocked the world not just because of the attack itself, but because of what it revealed about modern naval warfare. The exterior showed strength but also exposure. The interior revealed the adaptability of the human spirit under stress. The performance proved that overwhelming power can respond even under surprise. The safety systems demonstrated resilience. The unique selling points underscored why the U.S. Navy remains unmatched, and the price reminded the world of the cost of maintaining global dominance. The ambush was not the end of the carrier's story. It was a reminder that even the most powerful forces must always be ready, that no weapon is invincible, and that the true measure of strength is not in never being attacked, but in surviving, adapting, and prevailing. The world was shocked, but it was also reminded that the United States Navy is not just a fleet of steel, but a force of resolve, courage, and unstoppable presence.